And we're going to head over to our Wearable Arts pageant, which is a feature of the Cultural Festival. Every year this happens, and it allows the students to use their imagination and artistic flair to create and present amazing outfits. So the categories for this year are iconic, Christchurch, and wild and wacky. The models tonight come from St Albans, Waimairi, and Our Lady of Fatima schools. Please, a round of applause for our Wearable Art pageant.
All my people in this place get out of control, 'cause unity and harmony is just the way you do go. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day.
People of all ages, no need to be shy no more. The song is outrageous, makes you wanna jump to the car. The day is looking so fine, the sun just make you wanna smile. I don't know what to say, but are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Are you feeling me? 'Cause are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Like I feel you. Oh.
Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day. Nod your head and stomp your feet. You got to know we're bringing the heat. Don't you know it's time to make it all clear? Today's the day when you gotta see it's real. Oh, I gotta show ya what it means to be king by realizing a brighter day to see. Yeah, yeah. Your smile so bright makes everybody get up to do it right. We're moving around, stand up, don't hide. It makes you wanna shout. We'll feel the flow and let it show through all the joy, laughter and smile. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. It's Halloween, the sunshine day.
Brother Bellas in the back, sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly red blue lights flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Ballet bridge words of comfort, Cena just hides her eyes. Policeman taps the shades, is that a Chevy 69? How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre. Destination unknown as we're pulling for some gas. A freshly pasted poster reveals a smile from the pack. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Bella speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh, baby, it's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around.
Every time I look around.
Every time I look around. It's in my face.
Ringmaster stiffs up, says the elephants left town. People jump and jive and the clowns are stuck around. TV news and cameras, there's choppers in the sky. Marines, police, reporters ask where, for and why. Bella yells, we're out of here. Cena says right on. Making moves and starting grooves before they knew we were gone. Jumped into the Chevy, headed for big lights. Wanna know the rest? Hey, by the rights. How bizarre. How bizarre. How bizarre.
Ooh, baby, it's making me crazy.
you can help me with the problem that will kind of make her screaming. It's a problem that I base it time, a place, a place, and never coming and bringing it back and hipping and humming and jumping and bass and yo go. I do what you want to go quick and jumping the bumper to my groove like my poker. Stick up, flicker to a flamer. Reach a rocking harder than a brick to a layer. Ease up, mother brown, put your knees up. Like you be flipping and kicking like a Bruce Lee. Beat your guys, beat your wanna take it and teach the shallow. Beat your gonna eat you like a cream puff. Cause I can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, no. 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 Here it is for his, for better, for worse, for what's with the second best, the best kids upon the earth. Mixing up a storm, brewing up a tornado.
Having an abundance of platonic relationships reminiscent of my man Mike Plato.
I was running down the street just screaming, I was blind, but I lost my voice like I lost my mind. And I couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another. No! I was born to conform to the norm, yawn like a lawn born. I was born to reform, worn, corn, and all the thinking and beating and ringing and shaking and making them up like that. Cause I can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, no. 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 Stars to the steps, now stolen. People stop looking now, making people tricky. Ricky had a hickey. Maybe hit me for a quickie. Fucking think of a chick, what you call you hickey. The rain is painful, many other Mama, MC Hammer.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Werribee Art Pageant for 2015. A round of applause.
Man, that is so cool.
Beautiful artwork.